And Jesus, full of the Holy Spirit, was led into the wilderness to be tempted by the devil. For 40 days and nights he fasted, and at last he was hungry. Then the tempter came to him, Satan, appearing before Jesus with a sly grin. "If you are the Son of God, command these stones to become bread." Jesus, weak but resolute. "It is written, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds from the mouth of God." Satan narrows his eyes, realizing Jesus will not yield easily. The scene shifts to the pinnacle of the temple in Jerusalem. Narrator: Then the devil took Jesus to the holy city and set him on the pinnacle of the temple. Satan, mocking, gesturing toward the ground far below. "If you are the Son of God, throw yourself down, for it is written, he shall command his angels concerning you, and they will lift you up in their hands, so that you will not strike your foot against a stone." Jesus, firmly, "It is also written, you shall not put the Lord your God to the test." Satan clenches his fists, but quickly regains his composure. The scene shifts to a high mountain, overlooking the kingdoms of the world, shining in splendor. Narrator: Then the devil took Jesus to a very high mountain, and showed him all the kingdoms of the world and their glory. Satan, tempting, spreading his arms wide. "All this I will give you, if you will bow down and worship me." Jesus, eyes blazing with authority: "Away from me, Satan, for it is written, you shall worship the Lord your God, and him only shall you serve." Satan recoils, defeated. A powerful light shines around Jesus as angels descend to minister to him. Satan vanishes into the shadows. Narrator: Then the devil left him, and behold, angels came and ministered to Jesus, and so, he overcame the tempter and prepared to begin his ministry. The scene fades to black with soft music playing in the background. The end.